All right. So we want a clean break of 93. Then I'm telling you, this is a little resistance right here, 93, 91, and then 87. And then finally, let's go ahead and have that run all the way to 82. That's where we want to go. Okay? All righty then. Long story short, our confirmation that we are on the right side by being bearish is a clean break of that 92. 92, clean break at the open. Let it ride. And of course, we all know 96, right? We all know the importance of 96. Look at that. Where is the price went to 97 half, right? Not even 2 points above. Couldn't take our 96. Look at that. 92, right? Okay. Didn't I say that like 2 seconds ago? Mistake?
You did exactly.
Why do you think a lot of bulls just went long right here out 92, right? Remember 92 mistake?
Yeah.
Here you go, 92. Look how all these guys just had their limit orders right there at 92. Okay, so that's what we have it. Okay, and all right, so we are again on a snake wave. Short term, we can see how the 92 totally rejected, the price rejected 92, right? And look at it, all right? And 96. Look, our 96 resistance, which is now, of course, 97, 98, and 92, all right? Clean break of the 92 eventually, then just like I said a couple of minutes ago, all righty? All right, so price went all the way to G, 96 mistake, and he couldn't take it, right?
Yes.
All right, so...
I'm going into bull.
All right, so we are all clear on that bounce off of 92, okay? It needs to be taken for confirmation of the longer term move all the way to 87, okay? All right. Okay, so we all know it. So those scalpers take a shot long right here. They took a shot right here, 92. Okay, expecting the price to go take 500, 502, and eventually 505. Right? That's where they want to go. Here, 505. Okay. So you can see that our 92 support completely held. Bulls just hit the heck out of it. And 92, almost 500, 8 points. At what time I said that mistake? Remember, we changed hats from bearish to snake. The wave is no longer bearish. Confirmation that we are at the low is the price couldn't take our 92. So the main play is long, right? Finally took 96, trying to take 500, 502, 505 is the first target for the long 92. 505, 92, 92, that's 13 points. Okay? Alrighty then. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, 502 hit. Look at the almost to the tick, right, Mystique? Look at that. 502, right? We knew it. All right. Okay, for 92, 502, that's 10 points. And we are looking for 3 more, all the way to 05. Okay? All right, so a full leap. We're looking for a full leap of the wave. 05, 87. Still, price beautifully bounced off of 92. That gave us our confirmation to go long this low right here. And it's 10 points already to 02. Okay? And we don't believe that the market is bullish. We don't believe that. All right? We still want to go to 87 on the short side. All righty. So we know that 500 is a psychological level, and the first entry short is 502, And if it goes to 505, then we know exactly what we're going to do. We're going to establish a position short right there. Okay? It never went to 05. So be it. No Lamborghini today. All right, so you're only short for 02. Well, that's terrific. You just make 10 points on the way up, and you just make 10 points on the way down, and you know that a clean break of 96, like I've been saying, is the first confirmation that we are on the right side wanting to ride the price all the way to 87. Price right now, 91, right? All right, so here it is. Mistake, take your 91, your 92, of course not.
Most likely not.
All right, but that's what we believe, that it will be taken, and we're going to 87, which is the first leg for the bearish play. All righty. Oh my God, Cappy, I was waiting for 05, man. I'm pissed up that I didn't get short. Yeah, what's up?
You have a robot hangover short. Bear. And
Uh,
I'm moving on to
all right. So anyway, so here's our 96. Nice, clean, beautiful, clean break, right? That's a clean break, isn't it?
Yes.
Clean break, 96. 96 was resistance, became support. It was support, it became resistance right now. All right. And we want to play this 505, 87 snake way. That's what we want to play. And then we'll take it from there. We'll see if 87 is going to hold so that we can take a counter trend long and play the entire wave as many times need be. All right, look at the price. Just couldn't take your 91, Mystique. Look at it. Your 91, 92, couldn't take it even with this strong drop right here. All right. Okay. All right. So what happened with the long 92 that gave us 10 points right here in a couple of minutes? It hasn't been invalidated, ladies and gentlemen. 91 needs to be taken, and of course the 89.75, which is the level that that everybody's looking at, right? Everybody's looking at this pivot low right here, 89.75, right? That's the one that the retail trader, every trader is looking at, all right? So so that's what I do at least, right? You should do the you should do the same too, all right? So we're not interested in this double dunk, right? This is what I call the double dunk, all right? Price goes up, comes right back down, but we are expecting a continuation to 87. Yeah, sure, of course you can buy 91 and the one that everybody's looking at 90, right? But you would have to be really, really fast because you will be going against our longer term direction, which is down to 87 that I've been saying all morning long. All right? All right. So let's see. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we bears don't want the price to take 98. 98 is extremely important now. Very important resistance right here. As long as 98 is not taken, I'm counting on this 87. 98 cannot be taken for the bears. This 98 is so important. That's an entry short for bears. 98 is for those who are flat, is establish a new position short 98 or add to a winner. The bears that are short our 502 resistance, expecting the price to go all the way to 87. 98 right here, extremely important. If the price takes clean break of 98, and then there's going to be some dancing around here. Bulls took back control, and then there's going to be some shenanigan here. 98, 505, 505, 98. Okay, that's exactly what it is. All right, so bulls and bears, they're both making money today. As long as you have the discipline and the to do what your system says. I told you 98, right?
You did.
Okay, is that 97.75, mister?
That is correct.
I believe it is. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the house price index right now. So we all know that anything can happen. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so we are looking at everything the same. Look at Mystique's 92 long. Look at the 92. The price just refused to take 90. and it refuses to take our 98, right? But look at this action, okay? This is as tough as it gets, period, okay? And we already had the at 10 a.m. we have the this is the reaction of that economic release, and don't let anything put you in the red, okay? All right, we have to really pay attention to. Look at this, right? From 91 to hour 98. Look at this in 1 second, right? Look at that. It took 5, 6, 7 minutes to drop, right? To drop 8 points, and then he makes it back in 1 second. All right, so watch it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, 8, right? Smart money takes OA like this, just to throw the bears off track. But where does it go? To the psychological level and our level right here. Cannot take it. So we keep shorting resistance. Okay, all the way to 05. All right, 98, back to 98. Look at that. 02 to the tick. We bears need to take 98. Nice, clean, for us to be back in control. Right now, as long as the price above 98, the bulls are in control. So we need a clean break of this 98 for us to feel comfortable that we are back on that trip that we are expecting to eventually develop. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, those of you who were waiting for the 502 exactly with your sell limit right there, you are pretty happy right now, right? Aren't you? Look at that. 502, 1, 5, 90, 98, right? Stop break even. You know that as long as we are below 98, comfortably below 98, we're going to ride this baby all the way to 97. It's not going to be easy taking, of course, here, this support here, 90, 90, 91, 92, but that's what eventually will be taken. Whether it's taken or not, this razor sharp entry right here, 02, right? Which is now we're going to manage it, right? Look at that. Razor sharp entry. It only went to 275. Look at this. Look at this beauty. And bang, boom, bing, 95 and counting. Okay, 95, that's plus 7 in a couple of minutes.